This holiday can mean a whole lot of fun for the family, but the Animal Rescue League says it's going to put plenty of pets at risk. Remember, for the first time ever, or actually in the past 5 years, I should say, El Paso County is allowing fireworks on the 4th. CBS 410's Ashley Cullinane is live in Canutillo with the 3 ways that you can keep your pets safe.
People can come by fireworks here and light them in the outskirts of the county, but the kennel manager at the Animal Rescue League says this isn't really good news because the days after the 4th are some of the busiest for the Rescue League, with people calling in saying their pets ran away from all that loud noise.
That big boom has to be like an atomic bomb going off.
The sights and sounds of Independence Day can be a delight to people, but for our four-legged companions, for some reason, they can be terrifying.
Their hearing is 1,000 times greater than ours.
Loretta Hyde is the kennel manager at the Animal Rescue League in Canutillo. She says fireworks can send dogs running.
They can go miles before you even realize that they're even gone.
She says there are 3 things pet owners can do to keep their animals safe. First,
keep your dogs inside.
Second, Hyde says owners should go a step further for anxiety-prone animals.
A crate is a safe place for your animals so that they don't tear up anything.
Third, there are calming devices you can buy.
They have melatonin, which is an all-natural, and it doesn't really knock them out or anything. It just takes the edge off.
There are even wraps called Thunder shirts to help the pup out.
These shirts really make the dog feel like it's a hug.
It's not just dogs you need to worry about. Cats are also sensitive to those loud sounds. So if a firework goes off outside of your home, these little guys might run into a place in your home that you don't even know exist.
And even cats will have heart attacks because they're so afraid and so scared.
Hyde says one thing you shouldn't do is chain your pet.
Every year we get multiple calls that the dog jumped the fence and they were chained, but they didn't allow the chain to go to the end of the fence, so they hung themselves. Let's just try to make sure that your pet, stays safe and keep it part of your family.
Hyde says she has seen cases where people use fireworks to hurt animals, so keep a close eye on your pets. She says that you can buy all those calming devices at most pet stores. Reporting live in Canutillo, Ashley Cullinane, CBS 4.